It's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. And as a hybrid, the legacy includes a cleaner planet. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.